So I think, for me, getting down in that 10 to 12% body fat range is where I would just like to do it. There's a lot of things that I want to do, and so that's really where I'm going to go.
When Leonidas Arcona was posting stuff like he's getting leaner, but he will have to get massive once again because he's going to have the biggest match of his life, we all thought that he's talking about a match against Andrei Smaev. Take a look at this post. I believe in my next match, I will be much stronger. I have found my exact path now. But later we realized that Smaev has announced that he won't be competing in arm wrestling anytime soon. Nobody has contacted him. So it isn't Andrei Smaev. Then I started thinking about maybe it is a match against Kirill Sarychev, but apparently that is also not the match. But Leonidas was talking about Andrei Smaev. He was as much confused as the fans, or even I can say now as much confused as East versus West organization. Take a look at this post. Oh, and Smaev, what are you afraid of? That you fly and lose your muscles like you say, or just lose in front of an audience? But it's okay, nobody likes losing, especially not when your opponent weighs 45 pounds less than you. So Leonidas weighs around 290 and Smaev is 350 now. So that is more than a 45-pound gap. But he is clearly talking about Andrei Smaev, maybe in hopes that some trash talk can finally activate Smaev's competition instincts and he can agree for a match in August in Georgia against Leonidas Arcona, but as of now, it doesn't seem possible. And now let's take a look at a couple of posts from Brian Shaw. Fans are not happy about these. This is what he posted last week. Knocking the dust off the log with my new program, coming soon to Shaw Elite app. And then recently he posted this. What body fat percentage should I cut to? 14%, 12%, 9%. And he also uploaded a video about that. I'll read some comments to you now. Leonidas retired him from arm wrestling after that embarrassing defeat. Brian will never be a top 10 arm wrestler. Glad the silly arm wrestling phase is over. He is doing anything but learning arm wrestling properly. Doing things that don't matter or help with arm wrestling, but gets the clicks. Giving up arm wrestling to concentrate on bikini? That's a question. So now what? Brian Shaw is trying to get down to single-digit percentage body fat? Is he also trying to get his log press numbers up, or is he just trying to coach people for that? Things are getting confusing. Doesn't really look like that Brian Shaw needed a huge break after this one. He was already having plenty of time for himself before the Leonidas Arcona match, and looks like he's now gone for another 6 months.
And away we go.
What would be your guess? Will Brian Shaw compete again this year? Mention in the comments. Looks like East vs West have announced all of their matches for their upcoming East vs West 24 card, which is going to be on June 6th in Little Rock, Arkansas. Man, it looks like East vs West 23 was just over. It was such a big event that we are still talking about it, and the next event is already less than a month away. So these feel like literally back-to-back events to me. Auden Larrett versus Jeremy Parker. Corey West versus Pavlo Dervedyev. That's a left arm match. Courtney versus Natasha. Then Ryan Bellinger versus Jason Merlo. Adam Warzinski versus Peter Celis. Justin Bishop, Danil Ustinov. Craig Tullier, Yanis Omolins. Irakli Zerakashvili, Yoshinobu Kanai. Alex Kurdecha, Tobias Sporong. Todd Hutchings, Bogdan Stoica. Hermes Gasparini, Artyom Morozov. Oleg Petrenko, Michael Todd. You would assume that since it is an event in USA, we will see most of the American or Canadian guys there, but it looks the opposite of that. Most of the guys seem to be from outside of North America. European Arm Wrestling Championship is going to start today from 8th May to 20th May in Budapest, Hungary. We will definitely be talking about that almost every day as soon as I see some good matches there. Then after that, from 6th of June to 30th of June, there will be Asian Arm Wrestling Championship in Kyrgyzstan. We will probably talk about that as well. The free live stream for these events will be on the World Arm Wrestling Federation YouTube channel. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again.